Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I did my nails right here. No, I did not film it. It's so much easier to do it on a practice nail than it is to do it on my own nails and record at the same time. So I'm just going to go through step by step. They are all pretty much the exact same, except this one I put some rhinestones at the bottom, and then on this hand I added some of Gigi's Vampire glitter mix. It's one of her Halloween glitter mixes that she sells, so go check her out. I also use number 26, which is candy corn, from Fierce Nail Haze shop, or at Fierce Nail Haze on Instagram. They're both on Instagram, you guys. She's wonderful. She has an amazing glitters. I did a swatch video of all her glitters she has for Halloween except one. I also use Yogi's glitter in a pot. It's like a rose gold color. Also right now, guys, from right now to October 31st, you can use my 18% off Yogi code. I'm going to put it here on the screen. That is good until October 31st. Again, Halloween. So take advantage of it. Only on www.yogi.com. Okay, I also used Yogi's foils, and I used Yogi's foil glue. Okay, so everything will be linked down below. So the first thing that I have done is I've buffed the tip, I've buffed the shine off of this nail. So let's pretend that this is your nail, okay? And now we're going to prep it and get it ready with the Apres system. On this set, I used the whole Apres system. I used their Extend Gel base top coat and their short stiletto tips. These are what they call short stiletto tips. Okay? I have the entire Apres kit right here. Okay? Now, I won't be using the lamp because I'm just going to like flash cure it with my little light bulb here. My little flashlight. These guys come in so handy. I'll leave the link where you can find these. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing you're going to do is take your dehydrator and you're going to dehydrate your nail. Let me move this back. You're going to dehydrate the nail plate. Okay. And that, again, that is a pH bonder dehydrator from the Apres system. Alright, they also have a primer, acid-free. And what you're going to do with that is put 1 to 2 coats of the acid-free primer. You're going to go ahead and put your coat of primer from cuticle to free edge. Do not touch the skin with this stuff. Now, once the one dries, I'll usually go ahead and do it again. You're going to let that sit and dry for a second. Doesn't take long at all. Now we're going to go ahead and get the tip ready. And I'm going to use the Extend Gel to get the tip ready. The thing that I did with the short stilettos is I went ahead and buffed the inside surface. And you're going to buff the inside surface. All the way up to where your nail free edge would go, okay? A brush, and I'm just going to wipe off all the dust. The Extend Gel. And we don't need a whole lot of the gel. We're going to put it down by the free edge and all the way up into the cuticle area. Well, into the middle of the nail, should I say. The Yogi glitter. Let me go ahead and get my brush wet. Okay, just a little bit of that. Just go ahead and place it in there, just like so. Okay. Doesn't take a lot. Okay. And I'm going to place that in there. And I'm going to get a little bit more. I should have had these pulled out, but I don't, so. Alright, now that we have those glitters inside, now I'm going to take my vampire mix from Gigi. I love this mix, man. It is so pretty. I'm going to take, she's got little bats in here, and I actually used, like, I think one or two bats. So I'm going to try and fit a bat in here. Make it Halloween-y. There we go. There's 2 little bats. And then she's also got these like glitter dots, like red glitter dots, that I'm going to also stick into the nail. Now you can pre-make your tips like this. So that's what I did. I actually pre-made all the tips before I put them on my nails. Just to make sure they kind of stick. There we go. If you get anything on the side, just wipe it right off. Little flashlight, and I'm gonna flash cure that. Take the Apres top coat, and we're gonna top coat it with a very, very thin coat, just like that. Okay. Again, go ahead and flash cure it. Okay guys, now it's time to put your pre-made tip onto your nail. We're going to take the Extend gel, and first we're going to put a little bit on the actual nail plate of your nail. Okay, we're going to put a little bit here on your nail, put it on. We're going to cover the entire nail with it. Now, some people cure this and some people do not. So, whichever works for you. I, however, am going to flash cure that, because it's going to get fully cured after we're finished. So I'm just going to go ahead and flash cure it, just to make it sticky. I'm going to take the Extend gel again, and this time I did not wipe off one side of my brush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay that in there just like so, and I'm going to go around just like that. So it's got a lot of gel down there. Okay, I'm going to hold my flashlight in my mouth again, and I'm going to go at a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to go down onto that nail plate. But while I'm doing it, I'm going to be pushing out all the air bubbles and watching that gel go from cuticle to free edge. Once it gets to the free edge, you're going to cure. Here we go. Alright, so as you can see, I do have a little bit of spillage. But as you can see, I do have a little bit of spillage, but we're going to get that with the E-file. Now that it is on your nail, you can go ahead and fully cure that. So I'm going to set it in my Yogi 48-watt lamp, and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Once that's cured, you're going to take your E-file, and you're going to clean up around that cuticle. And someone asked me how I did it, so I'm going to show you. Now sometimes I can take my clippers and I can actually get in here like this, and there we go. It just came right off. This gel, this Extend gel, is so soft that it's so easy. You can just clip it right off. But I am going to file it, just show you how I do it if I get spillage. I will take it and go around the cuticle. And then down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rough up the entire surface of this nail. Now I don't have my e-file up that high, guys, because I'm not trying to take any bulk off the nail. We're not trying to take any of the bulk off. But you can add strength to this nail using a builder gel, something that's soak off. That way it's easy for you to remove it. You won't have to use your e-file. Now you can use your e-file to remove these. You do not have to soak them off. That's totally up to you. I think it's easier to soak the Apres system off than filing it, in my opinion. I don't think I've ever filed mine off. I think I've always soaked mine. So you're just going to lightly go over the entire nail with your e-file, just to get off all the shine. Get the underneath. We're going to go over it with Yogi's foil glue, because now we're going to add the foil like I did on every single one of my nails. As you can see by the cuticle, there is foil. I've got a little spider on this one. This one kind of messed up, but that's a spider web. We got another kind of spider web. We've got a ghost on this one. We've got a pumpkin on this one. We've got a tree on this one. It's going all the way down into here. We've got a spider web here. We got a spider there. We got the gems on this one, and then we've got spider webs on this one. So you're going to take the foil glue, and you're just going to go over the entire nail with the foil glue. We're going to let that sit and dry. So when you think that's about dry, as you can see, it's went clear. You're going to take your pumpkin or whatever you're going to be putting on the nail. And I think I'm going to put this one right, let's do it right over here on the side. Or, yeah, that works right there. You're going to lay that foil down, and then you're just going to press into it. And what I do is I just take my fingernail and I just rub it. Just like that. Okay, just rub it just like that. And then find a good corner you can get and peel it right up. And then there you have it. You have your cute little pumpkin on there. Okay, so the next step after you put on your pumpkin, I did take my Orly builder in a bottle, and I did put a few coats of that on top of this nail. So I am going to do just one coat for you guys. And what I did was I just simply went from cuticle to free edge with a nice layer of that builder on there to make these stronger. Now, I will have to say, the Apres and the E-Nail Couture. Now, the E-Nail Couture and, well, both of them, honestly, they're flimsy near the cuticle, guys. But if you add one layer of builder gel, you're good to go. You are good to go. Those puppies are not going to bend. They're not going to break. They're not going to split. Like, these are stiff. They are not bending. They're not breaking. They're on there. So after I've got the builder on there. I flash cure that. Well, you really don't have to flash cure it. What you could do is you could put the builder on, put the top coat on, and then fully cure it. But I always go the extra mile. So here we go. I'm going to take the Apres gel top coat, no wipe top coat, and go from cuticle to free edge and put on that top coat. I got it all up in the cuticle. Look at me. Okay. Try not to do that. Go ahead and cure for 60 in the lamp, and then you're done. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how I got these really cute Halloween short Apres stiletto nails. And I do have a complete playlist on Gel X nails, and now I've actually added the e-nail coutures. I have not tried the extend tips yet. I've heard, or the X10, what's it called? Y'all know what I'm talking about. They're on eBay or something. I'm pretty sure they're just like the e-nail couture and the Apres, so I don't think I'm gonna order those. Honestly, I've got way too many tips as it is, guys. But I do want to show you. I want to compare these two tips, and I want to show you. A lot of people said, well, how do they compare? You know, how do they compare to the Apres? Let me show you. Okay, so these are the Apres, okay? These are the Apres. And as you can see, it's not gonna go anywhere, you guys. It's not going anywhere. It's not bending. It's solid. It's nice. It looks beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Alright, so let me grab the two nails. So I'm going to take out, and actually the sculpted, I believe, are a little more sturdier. They're not as flimsy. So they're not as flimsy at the tip as a regular, the natural ones are. Okay, so just keep that in mind. They are flimsy now at the, like the cuticle and at the center. See that? You see how flimsy they are? But they're not when you put them on the nail. Once you put them on the nail, they're not going to be flimsy anymore. And that's how these are. These are the 1, 2, 3 gel tips. Okay? Same concept. Let me just show you. Okay? These, however, are not sculpted. Keep that in mind. But yes, they are flimsy. But again, when they're put on the nail, they are not flimsy. Okay? They're gel tips, guys. They're gel tips. They're going to be flimsy when you first get them. And when you first put them on, they're going to be flimsy because they're gel tips. You have to build them up just like a nail. Okay? So say these are pretty much like you're taking a base, these are like you're taking a silk off gel, or you're taking a builder gel and you're making the tip or the whole nail, whatever. That's what this is. It's almost like the tip. You're buying them and you're putting them on the nail. So then therefore you got to go ahead and, you know, put a layer or two of builder gel on top to make them last and to make them so that they don't break and that they don't, you know, they don't go anywhere. But I 100% love the Apres, and I love the 1, 2, 3 by e-nail couture. So I definitely approve both of these tips, and I hope you guys do as well. So with that said, there is the nail. That is how I got my nails. There it is. Cute little pumpkin nail. Cute little Apres stiletto shorts. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Please don't forget to give it a big like. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys know when I upload next. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.